Welcome to my channel, and sorry, I feel like I'm off a little bit. Today's video is going to be the Colourpop Not a Box of Chocolates palette, and this one is gorgeous. Here's what the inside looks like, and I just kind of want to do a fun, cute, I don't know, maybe mauve-y look. I've got like the mauve lip going on. I also have the most beautiful blush on that I think is absolutely perfect for winter, so I will stay tuned. I'll be talking a little bit about that at the end, and it's also extremely affordable. So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to start with this shade That's Rich. Just this shade right there. Is that what I want to start out with? You know what, since I said it, we're just going to do it. I would say I just want to do something simple, but you never know what I'm going to end up doing. So we're just going to start out with this and see where it takes us. And also, holy snow. It was 80 degrees a couple days ago, and I woke up this morning and there's snow. So welcome to the Midwest, where we get all 4 seasons in 3 days. It has been a wild ride. It was like 80 on Wednesday, 75 on Thursday, in the 30s on Friday, and then snow Friday night into Saturday morning. And today's Saturday, and it is a brisk 30 degrees. And no sunshine, so that's how it's going today. Yeah, so I'm probably not gonna get out, but that's okay. Like, my husband is going to hang out with some friends, work on some music stuff, and I've got some stuff I need to do just on like a personal, professional level, trying to make my life better. So it's kind of works out, you know, he's gonna be gone, and it's kind of a crappy weather day where I'm not going to be going anywhere, and I can focus on the stuff I need to focus on, and hopefully in a couple months I will be in a much better place, and things will finally, for the first time in my life, be looking up and going the way that I would like for them to go. So that's where we're at. This is a really, really pretty shade. I'm just kind of trying to blend it all out. I need some new brushes. Had these brushes a couple years. They're just the Profusion brushes. I love them, but I think they're just getting a little too fanned out, so I just need some new ones. Luckily, they're affordable. Thank you, Profusion, for that. And yeah, so I'll pick some up in the near future. And today, my Beauty Bay haul is supposed to be delivered. Placed it a couple weeks ago. So tomorrow the plan is to film with the new Neutrals palette. And then I also picked up the Glamlight Scooby-Doo palettes. I need to film with those. And let's go with this shade 90% Keiko right here. And I discovered this brand yesterday called, oh shoot. Let me double check, because I don't want to say the wrong name, because that's something that I would do. Okay, yeah, it's called Be Bella Cosmetics. I think they're like a sister company to Beauty Creations. And so I picked up a couple of the Be Bella palettes. They looked stunning. They have like a new Christmas palette that I picked up, and then a palette that's like their flowers, like lotus, daisy, sunflower. There's poppy. I was gonna say there's one I'm missing, and those look really beautiful, so I picked those up along with their Christmas palette, and they're also extremely affordable. So I'm really, really hoping that they're good quality, because they had a couple other palettes that I would be interested in picking up. And they also had some really pretty lippies. I didn't pick up any of the lips because I just kind of wanted to try the palettes out first to see how they do, and if that goes well, then I will, of course. They just had some really pretty shimmery lip glosses that just looked like it'd be awesome for the holidays as well. So I'm really just kind of focusing on holiday stuff right now. I'm going to be doing looks with some of my favorite holiday palettes for you guys. Just some different fun holiday looks, whether you want something more smoky like this that we're doing right now or more natural. We're just going to cover it all on this channel over the next several weeks. Now I am going to go into the shade. What shade do I want to go with? I know I wanted a mauve-y type look. I think I'm going to go in with Cherry Cordial right there. I did not clean this brush off. Almost just had a catastrophe. Okay. Now, and this is just more of a simple look. Nothing too crazy. I mean, it's kind of smoky, but it's just something that's really easy. Anyone can do it. Very, very pretty shade. There is a lot of kick up with these shades, I will say. There's a little bit of fallout down below my eye, but not too bad. But yeah, the kick up is definitely there. If you guys can see that right there. I'm not sure how well that's showing up, but there is quite a bit. Which is okay. I mean, it's not the end of the world, but just kind of makes me nervous about it getting all over my face. Which happens from time to time. I'm hearing all kinds of noises upstairs. I'm not sure what's going on up there. Okay, looking good. I just want to kind of deepen the outer crease a little bit. Yeah, I am like trying to be gentle with tapping into this palette, and it is just, the kick up is insane. That being said, it's not horrible in getting like stuff all over my face. But I would maybe do my eyes first with this palette, just to save yourself from having to go in and redo anything. And I'm just gonna smooth out these edges, blend them out. But I do really enjoy this look. It is really, really pretty. Just very deep, dark, and smoky. But not too much. It's like the perfect medium, I think. Okay, so for the lower lash line, we got a pretty good smoky moment going on. I'm gonna go in with the shade Crazy for Cocoa, which is right here, and just put that on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to do a little highlight on the inner corner, the lower portion. If I can find that brush. Let's do... Yeah, let's go in with the shade Champagne Truffle, which is this shade right here. It's very pretty. All right, I'm going to go clean up some fallout, do my mascara, and I'll be right back. I am back, and this is the finished look. You guys can see just that smoky, mauvey, purpley goodness going on right here. And this, again, was with the Colourpop Not a Box of Chocolates palette. I feel like this is also like a beautiful holiday palette. Here's the inside. And at the beginning of the video, did I just destroy a shade with my nail? I probably did. I am having a time getting this box opened and closed. Okay, not too bad. I mentioned this blush that I'm wearing that I think is just perfect for winter. It is just freaking beautiful. And, are you ready for this? It's only $8.99 as well. And it is the City Color Keep It Blooming Baked Blush. And this is in the shade Chocolate Cosmo. And just look, not only just look at the detail in the blush itself. Can you see that? Like, I'm going to try and bring it in a little closer, you guys. Can you see that? Just absolutely stunning. And I'm going to try and swatch it if I can. It's got like a slight sheen to it, but it looks beautiful on the cheeks. And here is, can you see that? Just swatched on the back of my hand. It is just a beautiful blush. They also have a few other shades that I want to pick up because this is what I have been wearing for like the last week and a half, 2 weeks. And it looks like I barely put a dent in it. So this is $8.99. I will link it down below. You can get it off of Amazon and it is just beautiful. The perfect blush for winter. So pick one up, and they've got a couple other shades as well, and I am just loving it. So that is it for the video today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please stay safe, have a wonderful day wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one.